Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I'm going to assemble BESTA TV stand from IKEA. Give me just 5 minutes of your time and I will show you how to easy and fast put together this BESTA TV stand. You don't need any extra tools for this job, but if you have cordless drill, it would make it a lot more easy. First, you can take out all these big wooden pieces and sort them out. Now just take this wooden piece, flip it upside down and screw these gray stands. This is how it should look like. Now it's time to flip it again, put it on the stands and screw these 8 screws. Make sure to pick right screws because holes in the middle must stay empty. Next, I'm going to screw this metal bracket on this side panel. You have 3 of them. Now just take side panel, put it on the screws and gently screw it with this plastic nut. Repeat this with all 3 side panels. Screw them tightly but gently so you don't break plastic nut. Next, gently insert these wooden pieces on the back of Besta. After that, you are ready to put this wooden board and make sure that you put all screws in their holes. Next thing is putting this wooden board, which is adjustable, so you can tight in TV cables. Also, you need to put these plastic covers. Next, put these metal brackets for your shelves. It is very easy to put shelves and you can also easily rearrange them. Next step is to mount these door hinges. Let's now screw these shock absorbers for doors. This is the cream on your cake, putting doors on your Besta TV stand. Make sure to pick correct holes and then just easy screw them in. Later you can easily adjust every door hinge by screwing some other bolts on them. So guys, that was Besta assembly. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Thank you one more time and bye bye.